doing today? All the sorts. Yeah. Love to see it.
Flying out for the weekend. I'll be calling you when I land. 'Cause we ain't got no time to wait. And I don't give a damn about your boyfriend. We can have you when I go. Next week it might be Japan.
Your girl in a wig. Guys, it's been so long. It has been so long. If I had to speak about the things that have been going on, Hey guys, welcome to my first video of the year. Yeah, child, it's been a lot. It has been a lot. But yeah, it is a Friday. It's Friday evening. I don't know what time it is, but yeah, it's a Friday evening, the day before graduation. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling the emotions that I should be feeling. And I also can't see. I can't see, like my eyes, my vision is very blurry. Because of the lashes and everything like that, in which I'm not appreciating at all. I'm not even a person who puts individual lashes, and now I'm regretting it. I am regretting it. This is my first wig installation as well. I'm not feeling the emotions that I should be feeling, or a normal feeling that a normal person would be feeling the day before graduation, but it's okay. I'm just taking it slow. But yeah, I booked out my first Airbnb. I'm so excited, and I'm happy, even though it doesn't show. But yeah, so I'm gonna do like a quick apartment tour or Airbnb tour or whatever they say, and then from there I'm just gonna take a shower and just spend time with God, because I need God's presence right now, and then just like chill a bit. Yeah, guys, let me give you guys a tour of my I see
This bitch got me paying for trips. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me really the plan. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Run like you know, you got me gone. Only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight.
and some green juice. Love to see it. I don't want to talk too much, but I've been going through a lot. I've been going through a lot. I'm not even about to explain myself, but long story short, I did have what is it? Content, and then just life happened and I deleted all of it. Like, I intentionally, with my brain, very sober minded, deleted all of my footage. I just couldn't. I was like, nah, dude, But Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! Compliments! Happy Valentine's Day! All the sorts. I hope we're all good. Shame, I missed YouTube. I missed creating content. I missed editing. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I don't want to speak too much because I'm also kind of running behind time, or behind my schedule. It is past, I think it's 11:30 right now. I've been up since 8, literally, since 8:45, somewhere there. My older brother called me, disturbed my peace. But I'm seeing him later on today, and it's so exciting because he lives in Durban, and so he's here in Joburg, and he decided to stay a little longer to celebrate my graduation. We're graduating today. Ah! Wow. Never would have made it. Never would have made it without God, because wow, my journey, if I had to speak about my journey, my varsity journey, madness. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna start preparing. I'm doing my own makeup, so I wonder how that's gonna go because I don't wear makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. Hence why I just did the lashes, so then it can just like kind of enhance the makeup look or whatever. But yeah, let me just eat and then prepare. Yeah, the staycation. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. And I got myself a bag, guys. I finally, oh my gosh, finally, I'm so happy, I'm so proud, everything. I'm gonna wear it tonight when I go out for dinner with my brother. Yeah, what did you say about my brother? You stay away from my brother. Okay, let me eat. But this is the baby girl. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my first time doing makeup, my own makeup. I don't wear makeup at all. I didn't know what I was doing, but shit, it's not too bad. I already applied it, but I don't know, maybe I'm just a little scared. Maybe I'm just a little extra. Yeah, it's the babe. So right now I'm gonna quickly go to Rosebank so that I can print out the things that I need to print out. I'm probably gonna take like pictures by myself while I wait for my mom to come and fetch me so that we can go to the Lindo Auditorium together. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be walking across that stage, child. Oh my gosh. And then tonight I'm gonna have dinner with my brother. What did you say about my brother? The first time doing makeup, first time having a wig, wearing a wig, everything. But yeah, anyways guys, let's go. Let's go. Stressed, I'm heating up, I'm running late, and I'm breathing.
tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Lamborghini Mercy.
Okay, time for checkout. It's been a great weekend, but now we need to go. We're in a rush to go, but at least check out. We're still on time. So yeah.